nag-disguise si Yamato at pumasok sa Nameless City. Subalit alam na kagad ito ng Rude Boys, kaya ito ang nangyari.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't...
Madali lang siyang nahuli ng Rude Boys dahil kabisado nila ang lugar na ito. Sinabi ni Yamato na may hinahanap akong kaibigan na nagngangalang Chiharu at balita ko ay dito siya nagtatrabaho. Sinabi naman ni Smokey na lahat ng nakatira dito ay parte ng aming pamilya. Hindi pa namin narinig ang pangalang Chiharu. Kung meron man na magtatangkang pumasok dito ay siguradong malalaman namin. Sumagot si Yamato na may halong pambibintang. Sinabi nito na alam nyo din ang droga na ginagawa nyo dito. Nagtataka